Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Reza Purnamafajari from University of Informatics and Business of Indonesia, Department Information System of Faculty of Technology Informatics. I will present my research entitled Designing Management Information System for Employee Performance Appraisal using Service-Oriented Architecture Method. Introduction, background research. In the current era of the digital 4.0 industry, information technology and information system are able to change the human perspective in completing a job. One of the conventions with the present of technology is that it is able to assess the performance appraisal process and assess decision making by the management of an organization or company. PT Bank Tabungan Negara Bogor Branch Office is one of state-owned corporation engaged in the banking sector through housing finance and industrial activities by distributing mortgage and loans. Bank BTN Bogor Branch Office itself has carried out the performance appraisal process for employee every quarter, semester, and annually every year. The performance appraisal process uses the key performance indicator method by using several indicators as two-way measurement benchmark, where the assessment is carried out by superiors and subordinates after the performance targets have been set by the central bank BTN office. Ongoing employee performance appraisal uses many manual program, namely the performance management system and the annual performance target planning for branch office performance. The performance appraisal process takes quite a long time because the accountant has to collect every performance appraisal research from each work unit. Furthermore, the ongoing system has another weakness, namely that it cannot be monitored via the dashboard in the real time by management division, which aims to assist in the decision making in finding top talent among employees. From the problems mentioned above, the management requires any information system capable of monitoring employee performance efficiently and effectively, one of which is management information system that will be designed based on web and mobile. However, MIS requires communication with other information system in the bank, BTN, Bogor branch office, ERV for collecting data. The integration will be designed using service-oriented architecture technology and the new SOA library. This SOA design aims to distribute data from ERP without being hindered by differences in platforms, differences in databases, differences in programming languages, and differences in server location. Next, a purpose of this research, there have three objectives. First, to design a management information system to able to assess the management of Bank BTN branch office in employee performance appraisal and monitoring of KPI achievement in real time. Second, to design a management information system so that the management of Bank BTN Bogor branch office can make decisions in finding top talent among employees. And third is to design a management information system that is integrated with the ERP Bank BTN Bogor branch office using the service-oriented architecture method. Methods that I use from Kendall 2008. The research methodology is depicted in flowchart. The researcher used the rapid application development, system development method. The stage of this research are described as shown figure 4 beside. The first step is identification of needs. There have three steps. The first one is observation, then interview, and the last one is literature review. Then system planning. System planning have many steps. The first one is requirement planning, what I need from this research. Then data analysis include collecting data from Bank BTN Bogor branch office. And then system analysis, include problem analysis and system requirements. And the next step is design workshop, include UML design, user interface design, SOA design. UML design, I use use case, activity diagram, class diagram, state machine diagram. And for the user interface design, I make web and mobile design, actually for Android. And the SOA design is about the service that I use for the ARP, connecting the ARP to the application. And the last one is conclusion of this research. Result and discussion. And this is problem analysis. We can see there are many steps of the performance appraisals. From HRD, the HRD give from SMK to every layer on Bank BTN Bogor branch office for the performance appraisal. Then accountant collecting all the data, then making a dashboard. It needs a long time to make a dashboard, and there is an issue from this research. Design workshop. There are use case diagrams are used to find out what functions are in the management information system design and who has access to use this function. There are three actors. First, admin. Admin can manage employee data, manage work unit data, manage grade data, manage key result area data, manage key performance indicator data, sorry. And the second, employee can manage performance appraisal. And the last actor is top management, can manage performance application for approval performance appraisal of their employee. And then top management can view the dashboard KPI branch office, and top management can view employee performance. Okay, the next is class diagram. There are many classes of this research. This class employee has many record for this. And the next is user interface design. User interface design is built based on website and mobile using Adobe XD application. This user interface design is based on the functional system that has been designed before. The following is the result of designing a user interface management information system for employee performance appraisal that researchers have been created. Service-oriented architecture design consists of two stages, namely SOA modeling and service modeling. And here is SOA modeling. SOA modeling aims to represent a system architecture using existing component. SOA use the enterprise service bus (ESB) for communication media between the data. In this study, SOA is used as a bridge between the ERP, Bank BT, and Bogor Brand Office with the design of this employee performance appraisal management information system. Conclusion. Based on the result of the research that has been done, the research can be presented following conclusion. The first one is the management of Bank BT and Bogor branch office can conduct employee performance appraisal and monitor KPI achievement using the design of the management information system for employee performance appraisal. The second one is for decision making. The management of the The management of Bank BT and Bogor branch office can make decisions in finding top talent among employees using the design of the management information system for employee performance appraisal. And the last one is produce the form of service-oriented architecture modeling and service modeling to so that the management information system can be integrated with the ERP Bank BT and Bogor branch office. That's bring us to the end. I'd like to thank you for all of you and for appreciate. Thank you so much.